red, blue, yellow, green, orange, purple, pink, brown, black, white, gray. Now let's talk about light colors. Light blue, light green, light pink, light gray, light brown, cream, beige, ivory, mint green, baby blue, dark colors, dark blue, navy blue, dark green, forest green, dark brown, charcoal gray, maroon, burgundy, black, shades of blue, sky blue, baby blue, turquoise, teal, aqua, sand, royal blue, navy blue, sapphire, cobalt blue, shades of green, lemon green, olive green, esmeralda green, forest green, mint green, serge green, moss green, sea green, shades of red, crimson, scarlet, cherry red, ruby red, burgundy, maroon, wine red, coral, shades of yellow, gold, mustard, lemon yellow, amber, golden yellow, shades of purple, lavender, violet, lilac, bloom, mother, shades of pink, rose, hot pink, baby pink, salmon, blush pink, shades of brown, tan, beige, chocolate brown, coffee brown, caramel, chestnut, caramel, Metallic colors. Gold, silver, bronze, copper, metallic blue, metallic red, neutral colors. White, black, gray, beige, cream, ivory, topper. Common color patterns. Striped, checked, plate, polka dot, floral, spotted, plain, printed, camouflage, leopard print, zebra print,